Rev up your engines! I just started a brand new YouTube channel. Yeah, an old dog. Learned a few new tricks. It's called Autonauts Garage, and it's going to be the next level of car content on YouTube. I partnered with some talented new creators to bring you some really high quality content. New technology, how cars work, the history of cars, and much, much more. We'll be launching 4 videos a week, and the first one is coming out soon. And if you're wondering about the helmet logo, we'll show you how it was created and what it means. And thanks to everyone who've already subscribed to the channel. We've already reached 75,000 subscribers, and we haven't even launched the first video yet. If you haven't already subscribed, check out my new channel on the link below. Then hit the subscribe button, and you'll be the first to be notified when our original video hits the air. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.